Hi everyone, Harley here again, bringing you another tutorial of the Radix endeavor. Today we'll be learning how to create a class in the dashboard. To begin, click the dashboard tab, and that will take you to Manage Classes. Now, we don't have any classes, so it's blank. So go to the Create Class tab, put in the class name you want. Here I'm just going to go with Algebra 1 and the year. These are freshmen, it's 2014, and I'll put math as password. Now, just a note on the password. This password is the default password for the class. That is, these are the passwords that your students will get when they first log into their accounts. After their initial login, they can change their password to whatever they like. But if they forget it, you can change it back to the default password, which you do know on your dashboard, which we'll get into in a different tutorial. Now, underneath password, you will see something called chat permissions, along with class only, school only, and everyone. Now, for people who have individual accounts that aren't attached to classes, the default setting here is everyone, so they can talk with everyone in the world. But if you're doing this as a class, perhaps you don't want your students to be distracted by everyone else in the world chatting with them and whatnot. Then you could set it as class-only chat. Or if you know if other classes are doing this in your school, you can set it to school-only, so everyone can be chatting with everyone inside school, but not everyone in the world. Finally, at the bottom of the page, you'll see an option to automatically assign remedial quests. This is an option that is not currently in the game, so don't worry about it. But once it's out, we will update this video. Alright, so now just click Create Class, and you'll see it in your Manage Classes section. Hope you found this tutorial useful.